Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe a bag you want to own. You should say what kind of bag it is, where you want to buy it, how much it will cost you, why you want this kind of bag.
The bag that I'd like to have is a sleek black leather tote bag. It is a medium-sized bag with a spacious main compartment that can fit a laptop, books, and other essentials. The bag also has several pockets, both inside and outside, for additional organization and easy access to small items like keys or a phone. The bag has two comfortable handles and an adjustable shoulder strap for convenience and versatility. For this kind of bag, you can purchase it at high-end fashion boutiques or department stores. Brands such as Prada, Gucci, and Louis Vuitton offer similar styles, but there are also more affordable options from brands like Michael Kors or Coach. Depending on the brand and material quality, the cost can range anywhere from a few hundred to several thousand rupees. The reason why someone might want this kind of bag is that it is both functional and fashionable. A leather tote bag is versatile and can be used for work, travel, or leisure activities. The sleek black design makes it a classic and timeless piece that can be worn with various outfits and styles. Additionally, a high-quality leather bag can last for years and even become a cherished item that is passed down through generations. Overall, a leather tote bag is a practical investment that can elevate your wardrobe and make your daily routine more stylish and organized. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.